See where it says stat has the big pile, says stats on it right next to the big pile. That one here. Alright, so we're going to number 11. Anybody need, like they lost it or whatever? There's more up here if anybody wants one. Here's one. Really, you got yours? Maybe, probably. So, this is the same thing, but you gotta make the points first. So remember that sideways is X and Y. I'm sorry, sideways is X. Up and down is Y. And you're always trying to put X and then Y. So your job here is just, you're gonna find the midpoint, you're just labeling, you're coming up with the points on your own first. You ready, Gabe? So this point here, start at the origin, right? And I go 1 to the left. So that's -1. And then I went 5 up. So that's -1 comma 5. This one, -1 comma 5. This one, start at the origin again. Look at how much you went to the right or left first. So I went to the right. If I go to the right, it's positive. So that's 1. And again, I'm starting from the origin. I went 1 to the right, and then how much did I go up or down? 0 up or down. So that's second number 0. So those are my 2 points. And then you're going to find the midpoint, and you're going to put that point back on there also. So I'm going to use my same formula. So I'm going to go -1 plus 1 divided by 2. This is like x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to go 5 plus 0 divided by 2. So I'm going to figure out what those are. So what's -1 plus 1? 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 divided by 2. This would be 2.5 or 2.5. And if you go back and look at your graph, and you put this on there where 0 is the x and 2.5 is the y, 0, 2.5 will be right there. You see how that chops that line in half? It goes right in the middle of those two endpoints there. That's what we're going for. So when you go back to like check it, if your midpoint's like over there somewhere, right? So it's in the middle of your line. Question on that? I don't know if the fighting points is making it a lot harder, or a little harder, or not at all. Let's see how it goes. Let's do number 12. So I gotta find this point here. There's my origin. So I look at right or left first. So I have to go right or left. Right, how many? Careful, so I'm trying to go to this point. So it'd be right 1, so positive 1, right? And then I go down 2, so that is a -2. So it's always right or left, comma, up or down. So to get to this one from the origin, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 5 to the right, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So those are my 2 points. And this is the part, like, we haven't done this in here. I'm sure you did last year, but I don't know, like, how easy or hard that is for you. Give me, like, thumbs up if I just said label those 2 points. Like, that's easy. I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, so let me go from there. I'm just going to use my formula now. So this is like x1, y1, x2, y2. My formula says I add up the two x values. So 5 plus 1, and I divide that by 2. And then I added my two y values. So 5 plus negative 2. I divide that by 2. Calculator or talk through whichever. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 5 plus negative 2 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So then I want to make sure I'm right. Is 3 comma 1.5 like in the middle of that line? So this means go 3 to the right and 1.5 up. From the origin. So 1, 2, 3. 1.5 is right there. Does that look like it's about in the middle of my two endpoints? It does. Looks good to me. Questions on how I'm getting it? Go through this again. I got lost in this part. What doesn't make sense? That's why you're here. 7:30 a.m. on Monday. Let me do one more with you, or are you good? Keep going? Okay. I'm going to keep going. If you don't want to listen, don't listen. Sure. 13. This one might be a little goofy, I don't know, but it's like that point there. 2, 0 or 0, 2? 2, 0. Go to the right first, 2 spots, and then I don't have to go up and down at all. That point there. Still went 2 to the right. Still a 2. Then I had to go 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Let's take it 4. And then use our formula. So you add up. So if you want to write them, x1, y1, x2, y2. Add up the 2x values and divide them by 2. Add up the 2y values and divide them by 2. And in this problem, you would get 2 comma negative 2. Work out the parentheses things. And that goes right there. And that looks like it chops it in half. Looks like it goes right in the middle. So I feel like I did it right. If you got to put that dot back and it's like somewhere completely different, you probably screwed something up. Take a look at it. Call me over. Let me know. Whichever. Questions for me?